Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are trying to install Dlib and getting same error as me, then this video is for you. So here we will check my Python version first. And you can see I am running Python 3.14.2. Let's try to install Dlib using the standard pip command first. Pip install Dlib. But it fails for newer Python versions. So we'll need different approach to install this Dlib wheel. So for that, now I know it will fail. So for that, what you have to do, see in the description for the link of Dlib wheels and paste it in your browser, and from here check your Python version and copy the link for specific wheel. So I am running 3.14 version. I will copy this link and then we'll go to our command prompt. Here I got same error. So for this I will clear the console first and then type pip install and paste the link here. This is the specific binary Dlib wheel for this 3.14.2 Python version and then hit enter. Now it's downloading the wheel from the GitHub repository and you can see successfully installed Dlib version 20.0.0. Now in this way you can install this Dlib for any Python version. Just you have to visit this repository and right click and copy the link of wheel according to your Python version which you are using, and in this way you can solve that fail to build Dlib error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and if you are getting any error, let me know in the comment section.